Hello again, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to fix your GCash app authentication failed. Hey guys, so if you see the authentication failed error on your GCash app, it usually means that there's an issue with your login session, network, or app version. So what I first use or do is that if I'm having trouble logging in, I want to close or turn off my Wi-Fi, and then you just want to stay on the site and then turn it on again in order to log it in. So if still that doesn't work, you want to make sure and go to clear the GCash app cache. So you want to go to your settings. So if you're using an Android, you want to go to your settings, go to apps, go to GCache, and then after that you will see a cache file that GCash has been working on. There's usually an MV for that. You wanna clear the cache. So for iPhone users, you wanna go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Now go to the bottom, and if you can see GCache, tap in, and then you wanna offload the app. It will make you offload the app, and you wanna re-download it after you have offloaded it. After that is you wanna also check that your GCash app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. You just wanna go to your App Store or Google Play and then search for GCash, and then you just want to update it if there's an update option right here. So if the problem still persists, try restarting your phone and then log in again with the registered mobile number and your OTP. So if you're still locked out, you want to contact the GCash support via Help Center or Messenger for account verification and recovery. And that's all on how to fix your app authentication